Yo, wagwan. Hear me I say, become a member of the channel, which is going really fast. The channel is going so quick. Become a member, get some exclusive reactions and just some exclusive chat with your boy. You know, by hitting the join button next to the subscribe button. You understand? Yes, become a member of the channel. You know what I mean? Yes. Binds. I'm not gonna bind later.
It's all about Jamaica's worst gamer. You deaf with the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. Today, guys, we are at Vybz Kartel. Yeah, man, Adi, the teacher. Yeah, man, the same one. Yeah, man, the same one, man. The real boss, man. Yeah, man. Good like Jesus. Yeah, that one name good like Jesus. Jumping that one, I went out waste no time. That one I dropped 3 hours ago. Me late. Let's go. Let's go.
1, 2, 3, 4, play. Turn your back way and couple more way. Open up wider than the doorway.
The rhythm a bunks like one of them old school rhythm from about 2010 to 2015. That vibe of rhythm that I get from it as it just start.
Blood clot, hey girl. Your pussy good like Jesus.
Hold on. Big up the production team, first of all. Big up the production team. Is the Christian gonna love this one? The man that compare pussy to Jesus. So, is the Christians gonna love this one? Cause you know all the Christians them see already, right? Are they gonna love this one? Let's go.
Your pussy good like Jesus. Your pussy tight like traffic on Fridays.
What? What him say?
Your pussy good like Jesus. Your pussy tight like traffic on Fridays.
Rush hour traffic. Pum tight like rush hour traffic on Friday. You can't get through today, Friday. Big up Friday. You can't get through. You cannot get through. Yeah, pum tight like traffic on Friday. Which road? Alright, let's say Avenue Road maybe. Kansas Spring Road maybe even. Mandela Highway. I don't know. Anyway, on the boulevard. Traffic.
Me love to set your back way and set you sideways. Me love you like me love my mother-in-law. Cause if
Lord, me love you like me love my mother-in-law. First, before that, him say, me like to set you sideways and backway and sideways. Pan the daddy thing, me pan the mama and papa thing. No. Every position you get set, no man. Every position you get set. Wall seed.
if I never she remember, you wouldn't born. Me love you like me love my mother-in-law. Now boots me go in a your raw.
Man say him love you like him love him mother-in-law. Him love you like him love him mother-in-law. Cause if I never she, you wouldn't born. No boots! Dash for the boots and bring for the youths. All of my King Selassie Joe. Yeah, that's right there. No boots. Raw dog, mama. I do not look at mama.
Your pussy small like a little mosquito window. If you start after fuck you with me little finger.
Small like a little mosquito window. Mosquito window. Start after fuck you with me little finger. So I'm tell you say a little finger, I'm a finger you with. You know why? Cause your pum tight like traffic on Friday. Remember I'm telling you already.
Body busting at your hand never cylinder. Make your face ugly up, fix it with a filter.
Body busting at your hand never cylinder. Make your face ugly up and never filter. No, I let him say no. I let him say. Wrong there, so. And no, correct me in the comment section, but I'm gonna correct myself first. Wait.
Busting at your hand never cylinder. Make your face ugly up, fix it with a filter.
Yeah, make your face ugly up, fix it with a filter. Yes, sorry, I got that. It's quite early in the morning for me, guys. Give me some time to warm up.
That would make you happy, it make you remember. Your house a virgin, it hard for me enter.
Hey! Ladies, what is about that one? And it's good to see the teacher in the video, them, bro. It's been so long where video make and we not see the teacher. Teacher, they road, we can see him in the video now. Run!
When me say me ya come, you set by your head top.
Boom off your body, timber. Boom off your timber. Make it tender. When me say me ya come, you set by your head top. You give me it in a whole different way. Take all my money, took you give me it, or you give me it.
Your pussy good like Jesus. Your pussy good like Jesus. Your pussy tight like traffic on Fridays.
Yo, me have to say though, me like the rhythm. Me like the rhythm. The rhythm, me like the rhythm. That rhythm remind me of a rhythm. Which rhythm this? Which rhythm this? Production team, big up on yourself. Comment section, which rhythm this?
Love to set you back way and set you sideways. Me love you like me love my mother-in-law. Cause if I never she remember, you wouldn't born.
Yo, the girl them thick doing bro. The girl them thick in brother. And guys are girls.
Me love you like me love my mother-in-law. Now boots me go in a your raw. No plan B for me shift your panty. But
Him have to do it. Him just have to do it. Him just couldn't go easy. Now plan B, my pussy your panty.
say you gon' breathe and the daddy is me. Your pussy
I better say I go breed, eh? I better say I go live in your belly for 9 months, eh? I better say I go give you one baby, eh? 9 months, watch ya.
prestige and you want my bestie. And you're pretty SP and you're very sexy.
Bomba Clyde prestige and everything sexy and you're very sexy and you're very sexy. What? Where?
Prestige and you want my bestie. And you're pretty SP and you're very sexy.
Yo, she hot with you, you know. She hot with you, but not tell her like she hot with you. Like when they stay are lost.
Really want to turn you my baby mother. You're pretty, someone you give me your daughter.
You're pretty, someone you forgive me a daughter. Getting a daughter from a pretty girl automatically means that you have a beautiful daughter. So that's why the G want a daughter. I'm gonna feel ring up, so.
You no have no common as regular nana. Unique like my S24 Ultra Charger.
You don't have no regular. You don't have no common, no regular nana, no regular pum pum. No, you have the ever blessed pum pum. Oh my God, I go with Me couldn't play that one at the boss of mines.
You no have no common as regular nana. Unique like my S24 Ultra Charger.
You need like my S24 Ultra Charger. iPhone me still, but yeah, me know what I'm saying. You know, because I have iPhone user them. Android, go on, sit down with a good camera still. Is it? Yeah.
Your pussy good like Jesus. Your pussy good like Jesus. Your pussy tight like.
That rhythm, yeah. What the fuck? Which rhythm this, brother? Which rhythm this? Which rhythm this? Me hear that rhythm before.
Traffic on Fridays. Me love to set you back way and set you sideways. Me love you like me love my mother-in-law.
One thing, you know, the G now left him kerchief them in the dog. The God now left him kerchief them, brother.
Cause if I never she remember, you wouldn't born. Me love you like me love my mother-in-law. Now boots me go in a your raw.
Big up Vybz Kartel music. I want to go on so. Where am I to get catch from the camera outside? Get catch from the camera. Oh, big finger. Suck on the self.
Your entertainment.
Chrome Video Entertainment. Big up yourself. Big up yourself. Gaza people, what do you think about that one, yeah? That one is smooth and nice for the girl them. But I rhythm, yeah, me hear the rhythm yeah before though. The rhythm, me hear the rhythm before, dog. Me hear the rhythm. What the rhythm name? The rhythm yeah go puzzle me for the rest of the day, you know, dog. What do you think about that one, yeah? What do you say about that one, yeah? You pussy tight like traffic on Friday. I the rhythm I look for, but me can't see. Yo, that rhythm ya dog. Me know that rhythm ya brother. I swear, dog. Yo, anyway, big up yourself, teacher. Big up yourself. Good to see you out and I give you music. You see me? Big up yourself, my G. Gaza people, them, on not happy. Yeah, man, on not happy, man. On not happy, man. On not happy, man. But yeah, big up on yourself, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Now we have some more pint time, but let's go!
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rock on earth.